Hello, good morning to you all. Today in this video I want to show you how you can make a group chat in Snapchat. To create a Snapchat group chat, open the Snapchat and click on chats. So once you click on chat, at right top corner you will see a symbol, this one, see here. You need to click on that and you need to select this option, new group. So it's saying that we can add up to 31 people to a group. So select all the members of your group here. For example, just tap on them. If you tap on them, you'll see their name here. Okay, I selected 3 people. So if there is a person whom you are not a friend to them, you can't add them. That is what it's saying, can't add to the group. So as someone is not my friend, I can't add them. If you both are friends on Snapchat, then only you can add them to the group. So you need to remember that. So I selected overall 6 people. Okay, I'll name this one maybe any of my choice and click on this plus symbol, and now you can click on chat with the group, this one option, chat with the group. And if you say, so that's it, you created the group and added so and so members to the group. And this is how simple we can make a group chat on Snapchat and we can have the conversation. I hope you like this and thanks for watching. Have a nice day. So if at all, if you want to edit, you can click on the symbol.